Priscilla Presley moves to invalidate daughter Lisa Marie Presley's will. A Presley estate battle is brewing. In a petition filed in Los Angeles Superior Court on Thursday, Priscilla Presley challenges the will of her daughter, Lisa Marie Presley. She questions the authenticity and validity of a 2016 amendment that replaced her and former business manager Barry Siegel as co-trustees with Lisa Marie Presley's daughter Riley Keough and deceased son Benjamin Keough. Lisa Marie Presley died on January 12 after suffering cardiac arrest at her home in Calabasas, California. The singer and only child of Elvis Presley was 54. Priscilla Presley and Siegel currently serve as the heads of a trust created in 1993 to manage the Presley estate. The Promenade Trust kept a 15% stake in Elvis Presley Enterprises, which owns the singer's intellectual property, after Lisa Marie Presley sold 85% of the company's assets for roughly $100 million.